Go benefit, go benefit, go benefit, hey. Go benefit, go benefit, go benefit, hey. so this is the final look. I'm like, if you can't tell, like, I'm really digging this product. So this is the Benefit Brow Contour Pro. If you guys remember in school when they had those little clicky pens that had all the different rainbow colors on it, this is kind of the same thing, except for this is for your brows. So this is, let me find my box. Okay. So this is a 4-in-1 contour pen, and this is in the shade Brown Medium. In here, the colors are what's the products that are in here. It's a definer definition, a highlighter, a lighter shade, and a deeper shade. So okay, so the deeper shade, what you do is, this is what it looks like. As you can see, I've already kind of used a lot of products. So what you do is you take it and you twist it, and more product comes out of it. And I take and I use this one to kind of shape out my brows and shape out. I don't go all the way in the front with the darker. I stop about right here and I shape it out, and I fill in, and then I fill in the rest with my lighter shade. I take that and I fill in the front, and I took my spoolie and I brushed it out. That's pretty much the only thing that this pen is missing, is a spoolie. If it had a spoolie, it would have been a hit home run. I mean, it already is, but you know, it just needed one of these bad boys. Okay, so let me think. Also, whenever you twist this product, the product does not go back in. So please be mindful if you're gonna check to see how much product is in this pen. If you twist it all the way out, you're gonna be scarred and you're gonna be stuck with all your product hanging out of here. This pen was $34 from Ulta. Do I think it's worth it? Yeah, it's a good pen. I mean, it's a lot for this pen, but I think it's really worth it, especially if you travel a lot, you don't want to look around a lot of products. You have everything in this one. I did, what you will see from the video, I did go in with my Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define Concealer in the color C8, and I took it on my Morphe M167 brush, and I cleaned up underneath my brows because I like a more, I guess, defined brow. This defined it, but like I want it to be a little bit more highlighted. So like I said, I went in with that. I blended that out with my Real Techniques Expert Concealer brush. This is my favorite brush to buff out my concealer whenever I do my eyebrows, and I also buff out the concealer on my eyes. And then after I finish with my brows, to keep everything in the same ballpark, I use my Benefit Gimme Brow Volumizing Fiber Gel, and that's in the color 3. I can't talk today. I guess it's Saturday. So I took that and I brushed on my brows, and I put that on there to kind of set my brows in place. And that's pretty much it. Like, I'm really digging this. $34 is a lot, but I think it's worth it. If you have the money or you have the Ulta points, go get this pen. It is definitely worth it. Like I said, this is in the shade Medium Brown, and I'm digging this pen. If I lose it, I'm gonna cry. One, because I spent a lot of money on it, and two, like, when you see this in this video, it makes your eyebrows pop. Like, nope. Come on, sis, get up. You jumping out my hand. I'm talking, okay? When it's time to leave, you can leave. But I cleaned up. What is your problem? Like, calm down, girl. Jeez. I don't know. I guess she's ready to go. But like I said, I cleaned up my brows. I did everything. When you look in the video, like, this is popping. If you haven't got one, hurry up and get there before everybody goes and buys it. Buy it online, whatever the case may be. Like I said, this is in the shade Brown Medium. I think I said this like 50 million times. They do, I believe, have 1 or 2 shades up underneath it. If you're of a darker skin complexion than me, you may want to get the darker shade, or if you just like darker brows. But this is dark. I probably could have went a little bit lighter, but hey, I kind of like my brows like this. You can always fade it out in the front with the little bit of concealer that's left on your brush, and you just take it and blend it out in the front. like so. And you can see in here too that I went, when I went in with my my definer, you can blend it out with your finger as well if you're having a hard time buffing it out. But it's not a product that's hard to blend out or anything. Like I said, I love this product. It's really good. The only thing that is missing is a spoolie, but other than that, like, it is on the money. So toot, go Benefit. I see you, girl. Go out and get this if you haven't. If you like this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. If there are more videos that you want to see like this, more reviews or whatever the case may be, let me know, and I can see what I can do. But like I said, like, comment, subscribe to your girl, and I will see you guys in my next video. It should be coming up because I'm gonna go and beat my face.